Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Say hi to Mum. Chloe. Chloe. Hi. Is it yummy? Yeah, is it yummy? Yes. Yes. Yeah. It's yummy, eh? Wow. First time with a bit of bread, eh? How about you, Maxim? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? It's your first time with bread? Whoa. Got it.
He's coming.